Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this session of ACS Forex Trading. Well, I think everybody is here after your dinner, alright? Okay, so 你好,大家好. Hi CK, Mr. Xia, hi, 你好,你们好, right? 还有漫歪 Derek, 你们好. Alright, so thank you for coming in. Well, so wow, a lot of you actually here already, huh? Okay. Yes. Hi Roger. Hi Mika. It's another midnight for you. Alright. Okay. 好了，那么来我们今天Alright. So today same thing. Okay. Welcome to this Forex Live Trading. Forex Live Trading. Okay. Forex. Forex Live Trading 2021 November the 10th. Okay, right. Thank you so much for coming in. I will be in Mandarin as well in English, also in Thai. All right. I hope my Thai didn't fall back and I need to brush up a little bit. Thailand. Very soon we're gonna see each other, right? Okay. Okay. So good. Thank you so much. Hi Joyce. 你好. 안녕하세요. How are you? สบายดีไหมนะ? Alright, okay. Hi, 你好. Okay, 好了，大家都进来了哈。Wow. Okay, thank you. Hi, Hubert, Carol. Right, and Ariston. Right, Ariston. And I have one Riano. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but just like you say, just Riano, right? Okay, yeah. Today, I'm so sorry because today I'm going to have a few of platforms running on again. Same thing, alright. 今天我还有好几个平台哈，那么这个好几个平台里面全部都一起我们一起在里面聊一聊哈 OK, alright. But of course, majority of you, I think, we are all in here for a purpose. Okay, what is the purpose that you are here for? Alright, let me know. Hi Isabel, 你好. Okay, alright. So yes, สวัสดีครับ yo. กินข้าวแล้วไหม? Okay, all right. Yeah, okay. So okay, so yes. 好的，好，那么在这里哈，我们的 let's start. Hi Bradley, nice to see you here, Bradley. Hey Bradley, actually, where are you from? I've been asking for so many days. Okay, yeah, yes. Well, today looks like you are very happy. Yeah, I'm always happy. Yes. Okay, yeah, always happy, huh? Of course, lah. I must remember how to speak Thai. Okay, my family is there, so I must know. I must continue to speak Thai, nah. Huh? Okay, all right. Yes. Okay, I have a lot of I don't know if y'all can see the rest of the I don't think y'all can see the messages in other platforms as well because of a different platform that we are currently we are still unable to link them all together. Okay, but one fine day I'm going to link up all of them. All right. Miss you, Mark nah. All right. Okay, so yep. So let's beer. Okay, yeah, let's start. Okay, thank you so much. We have 5 minutes of greetings here, and thank you so much, guys. Really, I think we are going to fly very soon. Okay, so I hope the places that we are going to fly to will be very safe for us also. Okay, until my booster. Okay, my booster is done up. I think probably my PMON will actually start to arrange. Okay, so yeah, just wait. Okay, yes. Anyway, we see each other. We see each other online very frequent. Am I right? Okay, so yeah, we shall arrange one online party. Online party. Okay. I still remember the song, but I only know the beginning. My me. Okay, all right. Okay, Okay, when I fly there, I must ask Mr. Toto to be here. Okay. Okay, so yes, okay, let's take a look. What do we have today? All right, so Aussie Cat. Okay, so today what am I going to share? 今天我要跟大家分享的都是一个，就是在说到就是有很多人不说出来的秘密，好不好？很多人都不说出来的秘密。Okay, so tonight, this session, okay, I'm going to share with you what are the secrets that a lot of forex trader that they don't reveal. Alright, so if you like my topic tonight, okay, remember to give me a click on where? Okay, a click on my like button, subscribe, and ring out the bell. Alright, okay, thank you so much. I'm waiting for that. Alright, I have already clicked. Thank you. Okay, then remember to punch up the thumbs up for me. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, so let's move. Alright, tonight I'm going to share with you what are the secrets that in this market there's a lot of people they don't share. Okay, like example, how they actually analyze and give you a price that is like a form of a signal that okay, this price I'm gonna enter, you sell at this price, you buy at this price, you know. Okay, so yeah, that is something that a lot of people they don't review out there. Okay, but of course, if I review this, okay, I think many people will complain me. So I hope everyone okay appreciate this video. Alright. Okay, yeah, Roger was saying that Roger is not in this community. That, also not there. Okay, let me share what Roger was saying. Okay. No worries. Whatever secret you share is only within this video, unless you want others to see. Alright. Okay. Yeah. So 我今天会跟大家一起分享这个一些秘密，就是交易里面许多人都不会分享的秘密。你们喜欢的话，请给我一个 like， 好不好？喜欢的话，请你给我一个 like， 好不好？我们要有一点交流，不然的话我会睡着。OK， 从刚才你们看着我的直播，一直到现在OK， 你看到发型是一样的，眼神是一样的，服装还是一样的，是不是？所以呢，我是从早上讲到午餐时间跟你们分析，再讲到现在，其实已经讲了很久了，所以很喘，上气接不到下气，所以希望大家有你们的支持，好不好？OK， 好 ，We have 糟糕了，这个是这个叫什么你好，什么对不起，我又忘记怎么读这个字了。这个是蔡是吗？蔡什么庆对不对 ？OK， 蔡，糟糕了。旭旭 ，OK， 继续的续OK， 好，蔡旭庆是吗？蔡旭庆你好，糟糕了 ，OK，so yeah, I'm so sorry. Alright, so maybe I can't pronounce some names. Okay, so try to guide me in English form. Alright, okay. 华语的名字有一点难读我的中文不行Okay, so yeah. Alright, so 希望大家能得到大家的一些支持，所以糟糕了。Okay. I don't have camera shy, but the moment I'm on camera, because I know there will be plenty of Chinese out there, and you know their Mandarin is real good, you know, and I start to stammer. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. And okay. English first. Okay. English first. Okay. So I'm going to share with you what are the secrets that a lot of people don't really share with you, alright? And later on, we will go through, okay, the secret is very simple. It's just very simple knowledge out there, little tips, and you will get the answer, alright? Okay, so yeah, now give me the MT4, right? Right, okay, so 我今天跟大家一起分享这个是一个小秘密，可是呢，我相信很多人都没有分享出来OK。 this secret, okay, is going to work on every single investment time frame. No, it may not be. Okay, time to time it will change. All right, so we will need to understand how the thing works as well. All right, OK。然后这个东西呢，不是每一个交易里面都做得到，比如说不是在股票，不一定是在外汇，不一定是在原油、黄金，OK，种种的这些东西里面哈，OK，所以呢，在这里面呢，我今天说的这个话题呢，基本上是一个非常非常的大众化的，OK，it's very general，OK，this is going to be very general，but I think in Europe many people has already understand how it works，but it's just that we don't not very popular in sharing in Asia，OK，so well, maybe well we just bring it over, right? Okay, yeah, okay, all right. So first of all, let's take a look at what do we have here. I would like to ask everyone, okay, every one of you out there, did you manage to get any TP today? Like example, Aussie franc. Okay, Aussie franc, not yet, right? Okay, so Aussie yen, right? Aussie yen. Okay, let's see. Let me take a look at Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen. Okay, so tentatively no chance yet. Okay, so yeah, about Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, not yet. Okay, Manwai was saying that not yet. Huh? Okay, all right, and also Euro pound. Okay, Euro pound also nothing yet. Okay. So Euro yen today, let's take a look. Oh, it just went off. No, not yet. All right. Okay, so today pound what? Pound yen. Okay, right. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, the only thing that I got is pound dollar. All right. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, so right after it breaks the support, is it? After it breaks the support. Okay, all right. Serene. All right, Serene. Serene was saying that she got a TP after the support level. All right, so 10 pips, 15 pips. Okay, all right, 15 pips. All right, I think it should be around here. Let's take a look. Okay, where it is. Okay, let me see. Let me check. Okay, yeah. So I guess it should be about 12:20 on the MT4 time. About 12:20, is it? On the 12:20? Earlier than that. Oh, okay, earlier than that. All right. So earlier than that, which is okay. 10:09. Okay, 10:09. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so let's see 10:09. Where's the 10:09? Let's see. Okay, let's do a little bit of recap so that 10:09. Okay. Oh, okay. Right. So let's take a look at 10:09 somewhere here. Okay. It actually went down and I was so eager to enter for a trade. And that is actually not a very good entry. Okay, yeah, all right. So okay. So you actually enter over here this way. This price here, I guess. Okay, it should be around here. Okay, so I would say yes, and not really that good as well. Okay, because over here, actually for this case, in this case, because we are still in the support area, this is still under support. So tentatively, okay, it is still good to enter a trade after you have break the support here, because right now what you have entered over here, you are trying to break the support. Okay, so that is kind of tough. Okay, in certain aspects, it's going to be very difficult. Okay, so this way is not really a very sharp, a good entry point. Okay, don't develop such a habit because yeah, although you get a TP, but it may not work every time you are going to enter for the next trade. Okay, all right. Okay, points noted. Good. All right. OK， 好吧，那么今天我们来看一看好不好 ？All right. OK，today, okay, we are going to have a sweet and short one. Okay, so that we'll be able to have more time later on for questions. Okay, for questions. Okay, so today let's take a look over here. Okay, I'm going to draft a raw chart. a raw chart. Okay, take a raw chart. Okay, to take a look. Okay, raw chart. Okay, so let's take a look. What we are going to read. OK， 今天我们先用这个裸图来看一看哈，用裸图哈。这个裸图这里我们来看一下。我今天要讲的 topic。OK， 这个就是很多人都不揭晓的秘密哈。OK，OK， so yeah, I'm going to use the raw chart to explain what is the secret that is not being revealed. Okay, right. Okay, so guys, are you ready? Okay, let's move. Okay, so let's take a look over here. First of all, okay, in this H4, okay, in H4, take a look at H4. Okay, H4 area. Okay, the H4 over here. Okay, a lot of us actually, a lot of people out there and trading forex. Okay, let's talk about forex. So we don't talk about others. Okay, what we are experiencing is that how do I able to actually plot out my resistance and why people can actually tells me, hey, do you know you can sell at this price? You can sell at this price. Okay, you can sell at this price. And early in the morning, they can already tell you, okay, I can sell this price, I can sell this price, I can sell this price. Okay, why? All right. So there are plenty of them actually doing this. Okay. So you may be thinking, oh my God, how come you know and how do you get it? All these questions. Am I right? Okay, if you have all these pondering, if you have all these doubts, agree with what I'm saying. All right, you have a lot of wondering why this person can plot out this and that, this and that, this and that. Give me a number five. That means you hands up. OK， 好，如果你们有一些疑问哈，就是为什么这市场的人一大清早呢就可以知道说，哎，我要在这个价位进场，这个价位进场，这个价位进场，他们怎么知道？你是不是有这些疑问？有的话打上5号好不好 ？OK， 打上一个5号给我知道好吗 ？All right，OK， 我们一个互动一下哈，那么我也会比较有精神一些哈。OK， 好，那么来看看一下哈。OK，IG 的 OK，IG，Yes，OK，Yes，这个有一个问题哈，就是在我们的这个平台里面呢，很多人都其实不知道说，在这个平台里面，很多人都不知道说什么什么什么，不明白那两个字OK，so OK，你先打先，等一下我回来看一下哈。OK，好，你先打先，等一下我才回来看一下。OK，right，so Okay, so I'm going to share with you. All right, it's very simple over here. Okay, well, how? Okay, H4. Okay, H4. Why a lot of traders out there they are using H4? Okay, 我先用英文讲先啦哈。Okay, why there's a lot of traders using H4? Okay, so H4 is one point that a lot of people. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me. Okay. A lot of people actually using H4. Why H4 in this time frame is because H4, all right, H4 is one of the time frame which is actually onto the time frame of onto this segment of a forex trading market. All right, a forex trading market. Okay, let's see. H4 is very important. It's because every 4 hours is one segment. Every 4 hours is one segment. Okay, one segment of the market trending during that period of time. Okay, so because you see the whole of one market is actually 8 hours. Am I right? It's actually 8 hours. So they actually divided out into 4 hours, 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours, 4 hours. All right. So this way, okay, these 4 hours and 4 hours, we were divided out into two. So one segment of 4 hours, it may be going long. Another 4 hours, it may be going short. All right. I mean, that's example. Okay. It doesn't mean that every currency it go this way. Huh? No. It doesn't mean that way. Okay. All right. So basically, what we are going to what do I mean here over here is that all of us is we are supposed to understand this 4 hour segment and why people actually using 4 hours chart to to analyze the whole of trending, you know. Okay, so this is why H4 is actually into the use, okay, of the 4 hours chart. Okay, so now, okay, the next thing that we are going into it, okay, we have to understand what is the trend. Okay, what is the trend? Okay, okay. So in terms of this trend, okay, when let me write it down. Okay, okay. This trend, okay, is very important. Why is the trend in H4 is important? Because we need to know it is going up or is going down. All right, OK，好，每个人用 H4 4小时图呢？为什么每个人都是用4小时图？原因是因为呢，一个市场呢，通常都是8个小时嘛，所以他们会分隔成4个小时、4个小时，可能有上前面4个小时，可能有跌后面4个小时，但是不一定说一定是这样的一个形式啦。OK，好，那么4小时为什么呢？是因为分出来了之后。然后呢，每一个人呢都会利用这4小时来做分析。好，我等一下我们就要开始进入说4小时的分析，为什么他们用这样的分析哈？OK，这个是很多人都想要知道的秘密，对不对？OK，为什么市场很多人都会知道说，这个价位进场，这个价位进场，其实很多人都是用4小时来分析的。OK，就是在我们 ACS 里面，4小时就是整个趋势的整体的力度来的嘛。OK，all right, so over in ACS Learning Hub here, we make use of H4, okay, to read the general strength over here, right? We are making use of the general strength to tell us, okay, to tell us what is the direction is going, the strength is it strong, and where it is very strong. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand the trend first. Okay, so now in the first place, okay, in the first place, how are we going to identify the trend? Okay, so to identify the trend, okay, it's very simple. Like I say before, all right. So if you actually shrink down the whole chart, okay, if you shrink down the chart, all right, you will be able to see things like this. Okay, I'm sorry. I think probably I'll just add in one more chart. Okay, let me add in one more chart for our no. Okay, yep, right. Okay, so I'm going to add in this. All right, so let's take a look. Okay, H4. Okay, for Aussie yen. All right, LZ yen. So in the first place, we have to identify the H4 trend, which is the general trend. Okay, but the H4 is the general strength. Okay，我用这个澳日来讲OK，这个4小时的趋势，我们要怎么去辨认它的趋势哈？OK，so over here in H4, okay, this part here, all right, over here, it is actually now, sorry, somebody, you asked me, are you asking me if you can video call into in my live? Okay, you want to join into my live? Okay, that's interesting. Okay, I can invite you if you want to. All right, so okay, never mind. I think let me continue first, huh? Okay, okay. So all right, so okay, over here, over here. First of all, identify the trend first. Okay, identify the trend. H4. Okay, in H4. Okay, pay attention to this. Okay, guys. H4, as you can see, if I shrink down the chart, here, you can see that, okay, this is upward trend. Okay, all right, this is a downward trend. All right, so this is another downward trend. Right, correct? Okay, so it's very clear and very simple. Okay, and this part here, all right, I have to over here. Okay, then sorry, I got a little bit distracted. Okay, so no. I think I better not. Let me finish. Today I'm gonna have one man show. Okay, so yeah. Okay, that's how I was saying. Okay, this part is buying. Am I right? It's a buying trade. All right. So a buying trade over here. Yes. Okay. Indeed, it is a buying trade here. So let's move into this segment here, whereby how are we going to identify that it is going down on the downward trend? Okay. In H4 first. Okay. H4. So the turning of the H4 over here. Let's see. Okay. Let me zoom from here. You see this part here going up. Okay. I want to talk about this part here. All right. So let me insert a shape here so that it's easier for us to identify. Okay. All right. So come in. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Right. Sawadee krab. Yo, are you still here? Are you still here, Yo? Okay. All right. So okay. All right, Roger. Okay, good. Okay, so now let's see. In H4, okay, in H4, how are we going to identify one trend is coming first? Okay, one trend is coming, huh? Okay, so let's see. Okay, D mark, pay attention, okay? All right. So you see, a lot of time when we are actually trading, okay, when it goes up, it start to come down here, over here, but we may not understand, we may be thinking, okay, it's going to turn down for a selling, but actually it is not, okay? It is still continue for the bull, correct? Okay. So how are we going to identify, all right? So let me go with Mandarin。在这里的话呢，在4小时里面啊，现在我们很多时候这样看的话是上升趋势、下跌趋势，对不对？啊，这里有一个下跌趋势哈，在这里。那么呢，我们在想呢，应该会是下跌趋势了吧？其实很多时候我们就看错，就在这里啊，反而是看到的就是，哎，它还是在上去嘛，是不是？OK，so 我们这样看啊。OK，我们要怎么去辨认说它会有没有形成一个下跌趋势？OK，首先OK，首先我们要做到的第一点呢，就是是要看4小时呢，它有没有形成一个支撑，然后有没有突破一个支撑，好不好？All right，OK，in H4，first of all, to identify the trend, you must identify the beginning of the trend. Okay, the beginning of the downward trend. Right. So how are you going to identify this downward trend? So first of all, in every time every time the bull running, it tries to short, it tries to turn the direction downwards. It always happens in one thing that it will create a support level. Okay, so let me draw one support level for you. Okay, I will put this support level into green color. Okay. 好，每一次4小时在牛市呢，在往上升的时候呢，它会开始要往下跌一阵，来形成一个支撑，好不好？那么我们先学怎么去去找到辨认到这个那个转换的那个趋势哈，OK，开始转换的趋势。所以呢，我们这里这样看，每一次在开始转换的过程里面啊，它呢都会先开始形成一个支撑在这里。OK，all right，OK，so you see over here，OK，this support this support has already been set up. So each time when the bull is running and it's going to turn down to become a selling trend, okay, it will always come with a support every time. Every time it will comes back here and it will start to create a support and will start to go up again. All right, it will start to go up again. So now I'm going to plot another red color line. Okay, it will show the resistance over here. 好，那么我现在画一条红色的线呢，是来表示这里是个压力位置。OK，好，那么呢，在这里啊，它每一次是不是回调下来了以后碰到支撑，它会制造一个支撑，不是碰到，是它会制造一个支撑，然后它会回调，它的回调呢就会尝试去突破这个压力位，但是如果这个压力位是不突破的情况下的话，我们就要注意了哈，可能下跌趋势就要出现了。OK， 好，我现在用英文解释啊。Right, so each time when as you can see, this is the point. All right, this is the point here, and it started to turn down. Don't be happy because that is coming down and it becomes a downward trend. No, it has not become a downward trend yet. All right, so each time it will form a support. It forms a new support. doesn't mean that it meets a new support. It meets the previous support. It doesn't mean that. It will form a new support. Okay, when it forms a new support, it will start to go and test the previous resistance, which is the highest point when it started to turn down. Okay, when it started to turn down. Okay, so now this point, when it started to go up and it doesn't break the resistance and it start to comes back again. Okay, when it start to comes back again. Okay, this point here, and this is a good signal that the selling trend is coming real soon. Okay, coming soon but not yet. All right, coming soon but not yet. OK， 好，Let me go in Mandarin。OK，好，每一次呢，这个呢新的支撑制造了出来，对不对？开始上调，碰到压力，在不突破这个压力的情况下，开始往下跌的时候，请大家注意，不要以为说这个就是下跌趋势 ，OK， 它还只是在转换的过程，它会来到这个支撑位置哈 ，OK， 所以这个要很注意，因为它一来到这个支撑位置的范围的话呢，等它突破这个支撑位置的话，这个范围哈，那么呢，它往下跌的可能性就变大了，就会开始进入下跌趋势。下到哪里会停就不知道，就要参考之前的支撑位了。OK， 好不好 ？All right， so 那我现在用英文解释啊。Just now we were saying it hits on the resistance, it creates a new support. Normally, it will still goes up and test the resistance again. It will test the resistance again. All right. Okay, so once it tests the resistance again, okay, over here, and it is not breaking, then we shall wait for the selling, and this part of the selling is actually considered as a transition from the bull market and transit into the bear market. Okay, but it has not gone into the bear yet. Until the point of time it breaks the support level, okay, the support area over here, all right, then it's considered as going into the bear trend. Then it's going into the bear trend. All right, okay. I hope you understand this part. If you understand this part, give me a number 2. That means yeah. All right. 好，明白这一个的话呢，在这里给我一个2号，好不好？看来中文我解释的就是一个新的压力开始转了嘛，对不对？新的转了，它会制造一个新的支撑，重新再尝试突破这个压力。OK， 那么重新再突破这个压力，突破不了的时候呢，它开始往下跌的时候啊，这整个过程的话呢 ，OK， 这整个过程来说的话，它现在呢其实是不算说进入这个下跌趋势的哈，不算进入下跌趋势的哈 ，OK， 它只是在转换的过程 ，OK， 直到它突破这个支撑位置，然后才算是进入下跌趋势 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right， 很好 ，very good，all right， so many too， yeah，thank you so much。Okay, this is what I call interactive. Okay, very good. All right. So now, from here, starting from here, okay, starting from this area, can you see this area of support? Sorry, this area of transition. Okay, this area of transition over here. So I just roughly draw one. Okay, and I think about there. Okay, it's about there. The first one. Okay, it's about here. All right. So it has a new support trying breaking, not breaking through, come back again, then it breaks through. And now, if you can see all this, right? Okay, now we are entering into the bear market. So it's good to sell each time when the H4 opens with a resistance, and that's where we should pay attention to. All right. OK， 好，所以呢，在这个 Let me go with the Mandarin now 啊，每一次在这个阶段里面的时候，进入了熊市下跌趋势的时候呢，我们现在开始呢，就是要注意一下，每一次的压力位置呢，在4小时开蜡烛的时候，都已经可以开始说这里已经要有下跌的现象，那么我们才来做空。OK，all right，OK，so now。Putting this into a very simple concept over here, okay, a very simple concept over here, we are looking for a big selling candle, to determine, okay, tentatively where the price is going up and meet that particular big selling candle, then we start to sell. All right. Okay. Sometimes you can see that okay, for like example, all right, pin a big selling candle over here. All right, this part here. Okay, let me go with the Mandarin to explain that little part. But before that, let me have some coffee because later on I still have one more meeting to go. Okay. All right. Okay. So now Mandarin 啊，我们呢这个这样看的话哈，4小时跌跌跌，我们找这个哈，可是我们找的就是空头强势的蜡烛，OK，那么呢，我们就可以大约知道说，在这4小时呢，它回调的时候，它是可以回调到哪里，它就要停了，大约哈。可是这个当然不是实实在在，可是经常很多人都在市场里面用这样的方式。来告诉我这个时候、这个时间、这个价位进场，不是这个时间，是这个价位进场啊，这个就是我要讲的秘密啊。今天 ，OK，All right，so 我先用英文解释了啊。OK，so over here we are looking for big selling candle. Okay, take a look over here. So I'm going to draw this. I'm going to shift this resistance and support line away by leaving this blue box here to show that this is the area that is starting to change. Okay, once it hits on and it's starting to hover in the transition, and now it get off the blue box. It is the change, okay, the change of the direction from the bull now transit to the bear. Simple. Now this part to the bull, transit now to the bear. Okay, fine. It seems simple, right? Okay, let's go. Now over here, support level. Yeah, I would say this is a good support level. Now let me see. I would say that the resistance level, it will be here. Resistance level will be here. Okay. Why is it there? Okay. Why is it there? All right. So let me explain. Can you take a look over here that which I draw the candle here? Okay. In the market, a lot of us will start to do this. Okay. They will give you a range of a price. Okay. Probably a range of price maybe here. Okay. Okay, I will enter a trade at the 94.143 or sell at the 94.346. Why? Where did they plug this figure from? Okay, where did they plug this figure? Okay, let me show you. All right. So we will always look out for a big selling candle like this. Can you see this? Okay. The exact marking will be 2021 November the 5th. Okay, November the 5th and 000 hour. All right. November the 5th. This candle. All right. This candle. Okay. So as you can see, this is actually a big selling candle. Okay. Each time when you see a big selling candle, okay, that is the point, that is the area of value where the resistance appears. Okay. Over here. Okay. This is the area of resistance value will appear. All right. So you see, let me explain in Mandarin before I forget. OK， 在这里我先来跟大家说，这是我的这个压力位置这个压力位置我放在这里，支撑位置我放在这里，好不好？为什么我会放在这里呢？为什么有两条线？通常你会看到人家会告诉你 ，OK， 在这个94.346进场做空，或者是94.143做空，对不对？OK， 为什么呢？其实这个秘密其实就在于窍门就在这里，这个空头强势的蜡烛，因为你已经知道说它从这个趋势已经走出是熊市，所以你在熊市里面你就要找空头强势的蜡烛。OK，so 你看这个空头强势的蜡烛在这一段。好了，那么我们就可以这样看的话，在这里和这里的话呢，我们就会看到说这个范围 ，OK， 这个范围呢，就是窍门在于他们呢都在于说在外汇市场里面呢，我们都会把它叫成的就是一个压力的范围。OK， 我的华语不是很好对不起。OK， 可能你们明白就 OK OK， 如果明白打上 OK 给我 OK。好，这个呢就是一个范围，主要窍门就是他们看到的是空头强势的蜡烛，就是像这一根11月5号的这根蜡烛。首先它先上去，可是被压着下来，然后呢之后就开始往下跌嘛。OK， 这样的一个范围就让我可以看到说 OK， 这个就是这种蜡烛呢，空头强势的蜡烛呢，在出现的时候，这个东西呢就是一个显示，让我知道说价位来到这里的时候呢比较难突破。 不是说不会，可是是比较难突破，好不好 ？OK， 好，所以我们都会把这边放在这里。OK，一般的交易员我们都会把它放在这里，然后就告诉你，你们今天在这个是什么啊？奥日，这个奥日呢，你们可以在944346做空，或者是94143做空。OK，这个就是这个窍门了。OK，好不好？Alright, so you see, this is the little secret over here that a lot of us actually we were wondering. There's a lot of people can tell. Oh, this is the place actually. This is the resistance level. Okay, alright. So this is because of the big selling candle, and it's actually going out of the transition into the bear market. So we know it is actually selling, right? It's actually selling. All right. Okay. All right. So over here. Okay. Hi. Mr. Bong. Correct. Mr. Bong. Bong Quet Leong. I think so. I'm so sorry. All right. Oh, sorry. I forgot how to address you. Should I call you Bong or should I call you Leong? Right, let me know. All right. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So today my topic is actually sharing out the secret that the people don't tell you. Okay. So yeah. All right. So now the secret over here is to identify the trend. Okay. Identify the trend where this is the turning point, but in the transition, it's not confirmed yet. This is a turning until it breaks the transition. All right, then this is called into the bear. Then this is good. All right, this is good. So after that, we start looking out for big selling candle, and this big selling candle will be the area of resistance that very highly likely when the price approaches and into this area, it will start to slow down and short selling in this area. Okay, so this is very kind of a very simple concept that a lot of retail trader are applying, okay, in the market to actually can read. Okay, so this is a little secret that a lot of people actually are looking out for. Okay, but they don't know what is the secret here. All right. Okay. Oh yeah, Mr. Bong. All right, Mr. Bong. 好，那么let me continue with Mandarin. Okay, let me continue with Mandarin. 哎呀，OK，那么在这里啊，我们这样说，这个就是这个空头强势嘛，对不对？我们刚才就说了，从这里牛市进入了这个转换的空间，每一次下来会有一个支撑，然后呢，这个支撑会推上去，再尝试突破这个的压力位，之前的压力位。那么如果它突破不了之前的压力位置的话呢，它回来的时候再突破这个第一个的支撑，真的是进入了熊市。当你一旦进入熊市以后呢，OK，你就要找做空的机会。然后找做空的机会呢，都是在4小时。一般呢，市场的散户们都会找这样的空头强势的蜡烛，然后顶端放一条线，下面放一条线，就会告诉你，在94、346这个进场，这个做空啊，都会是有这样的范围。为什么呢？因为在这个时段里面呢，这样画出来的话呢，一般都是比较有力度的一种压力位置哦，所以呢，来到这个范围，第一，它很缓慢，它不会再上；第二，它呢往下做转回来的机会就变成很高。OK，那么呢，突破有没有机会？当然还是有，不是没有。OK，不是说一定就是会转下来的，好不好？OK，All right，so looking at this, looking at this point here, okay, we can know, okay, this is how people actually can tell you how they plot this thing out, okay, right? So let's move into the chart that we are going into the verification, okay, of this so-called my logic over here, all right, okay. But before we are going into this, okay, let me explain why is that so that when we do this and it will actually go for a short selling, all right, okay. So let's take a look, okay. 在我还没有真去到其他的货币对的那些图形里面啦，来做一个例子啊，我们先来解释一下为什么会是这样啊，OK。Because of this big selling candle over here, okay, some pin bar, okay, some name pin bar, okay, over here is because the trending at this point of time, the 4 hours of struggling is supposed to go long, but it has been rejected by the market. It has been rejected by the market over here, and the market over here is being rejected, and it shows the next few is going for the short selling. Am I right? It's actually going for the selling. So over here, okay, this selling part here, as you can see, the selling part here, this is going to be something that it started off from this part. Okay, it started off from this part, or even this part. Okay, but this part or this part, yeah, they are the same. Okay, all the big selling, you see, it's a big selling, correct? Okay, so it's starting off from the big selling candle over here, and it will actually tells you that over here is a very strong rejections in the market. It's not just about that particular 4 hours of the selling, and it's also about the whole of the market. The rejection is actually at this level, in this area. So there's a rejection plus the selling trend is very strong, that actually pushes the trend to go down even further. So when it started to retrace, to recover the losses, this is where it will meet the challenge. All right, okay. 好，那么在这里的话，OK，in English, if you understand, can you give me a number two again? Alright, give me a number two again while I'm explaining in Mandarin. OK，Alright，所以在这里呢，用来中文啊，空头强势在这里，为什么我们会把这个就列为我们的一个压力位置？是因为呢，在这里原本呢要有回调的时候，OK，不过呢，在这里它呢就遇到了一个市场的这个反击。市场的反击啊，原来要做多变成做空，之后一直往下再跌下去，这一段一直在往下再跌下去的时候啊，这个不可能就是在这个时段里面呢，它很难再做啊，因为那当时有很多人在做空，它就变成一直在往下跌了，对不对？所以也是一个也就变成说是一种趋势出现了哈，OK，所以在这一段里面的话，我们现在这样看。懂得说这样的一种蜡烛，它不只是因为是有人在卖，而且是市场整体的市场啊的反击来的。所以呢，通常空头强势这样的一种蜡烛呢，原本是多变成空的那种，就是上影线很长的那种啊，然后实体很小的那种啊，或者甚至变成就是变成空的蜡烛的那种，OK，那种就变得就是很强的。OK，很强的一种反击。这样的话呢，它呢这里要回来回调的时候，要 recover 这边呢要把输的钱赚回来的话，来到这一段的时候都是一个比较挑战性的哈，比较挑战性的，好不好？OK，好，比较挑战的哈。所以在这一段里面呢，它就比较在这里的话，就比较的是比较难突破，而且一到这里就会缓慢要转回来了。OK，好不好？All right. So yes, this is the time. Well, okay. Just now I was talking about yes, this is going to be the selling. Okay, sell at this price, sell at this price, correct? And they will tell you TP this price, TP that price, TP this price, TP that price. Usually the secret over here to tell you TP1 this price, TP2 this price is because of here. I'm so bad. All right. Okay, I'm so bad. Hubert, why am I so bad? You are revealing a lot of secrets that you shouldn't. Oh, really? Okay. All right. I mean, okay. I mean, that is, I think it's an open secret in European country, but not in Asia. Okay. So I think Asian, they don't really know. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Am I revealing? Okay. Okay. Let's talk about this. Okay. So let's see. Well, it's going to work the other way around. Okay, guys, take a look carefully. All right. So let's see. Okay, when we are talking about the big selling over here, all right, big selling over here, this part here. Okay, Stanley, you have a question? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 2021, the October 12th. Let me see. 2021 October 12th. OK，这是多头强势吗？OK, Stanley was asking 2021 October 12th. October 12th. Where? Where's October 12th? October 12th. All right. It's so far away. October 12th. Aha. Okay. Yep. October 12th, 000 hours. Yes. No, this is not. This don't consider as a big buying. Okay. He was asking if this red candle over here is this big buying. 这根不算哈。OK，这根不算。OK，不过这根算，这根算。OK，等一下我再解释啊，我也是画在这里了啦。很好，很好，不错不错，学得快哈。OK，so you see. Well, when we talk about this, usually what we are going to do is that, okay, sell at this or this. Now we are going to take TP as this or this. Okay, why? Why are there two selling point, two selling price here, this or this, or and the SL price or TP price, you no, not SL price, TP price, you will also have two, this or this. Okay, why? Let me explain. When it comes down, they will actually take reference back. Okay, take reference back. Where is the big buying candles? Where is the big buying candle? Right? There's no candle over here until here. So go down all the way. Let's check. No big buying, no big buying. This one you have one over here. All right. So we zoom over to this side. Okay, zoom over to this side over here. You can see this. All right. But this is actually before this actually you take a look, it's actually trying into the area of resistance over here. Okay, so take a look at this now. Can you see this? I zoom in again, this part here, this part here. Can you see this part here? Okay, I'm zoom in here. All right, zoom in over here. Let's take a look. Can you see? This is a big buying candle. It's a pin bar. This is very obvious. Okay, right. So what do you call this in doji? Okay, there's what kind of candle do you call this? Some people yeah, okay, right. This is bimba over here. Can you see this one over here? Okay, hammer, right? Okay, so this is actually a big buying candle. Okay, I don't encourage you to go and remember what you call shooting star, what you call hammer up, what you call double top tweezer, all these kind of names. Okay, you're going to make yourself so confused. Okay, so just remember the logic behind the candles. Okay, so this logic behind the candle is so simple. You just call it the rejections candle or big buying candle. Okay, big buying candle. All right. Don't call it the hammer or whatever. Okay, just call it the big buying candle. All right. Okay, look at this big buying candle. This shows that there's a rejections over here. Correct? There's a rejections. So it will continue to go up. The buying signal is still going on. So you see. So over here, this is where the secret is. Now, I'm going to plot out my price here, two price at the real body, okay, and the bottom of the wick. All right, the bottom of the wick. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to sell from here. All right, okay, I'm going to sell here to here. Wow, 100 pips. Okay, yep. Okay, so people, this is the secret that people are plotting out. This is how you actually can make use of big buying candle and big selling candle to plot out your resistance with big selling candle. Your TP targeted TP point will be at the big buying candle. All right, so this is one way. Okay, let me go into Mandarin before before the Chinese all leave the chat group. Okay, before they leave the videos. All right，好了，还有多少听中文的人还在这一个直播里面？可不可以给我一个1号 ？OK，1号就是这样啊，耶、我还在，好不好？Okay, so yeah, okay, give me a number one if for the Chinese. Okay, if you're still in my streaming, all right. Okay, OK，好啊，那么我就继续啊。All right，我们呢这里这样看，这里是做空的空头强势，对不对？好不好？空头强势的蜡烛，空头强势的蜡烛一般就是用来就是多好的那个叫什么啊？哇，我的这个还有什么？OK，IG 这里还有啊，我看一下 IG 这里的问题是什么？OK，好。好了，我现在回来讲中文了。OK，好的哈，听清楚啊。OK，一般呢，我们呢都一般的交易员呢在这里一般不是一般的交易员，对不起，是说normally，一般上在这里呢我们都是用空头强势来告诉你，这里这个价位1、价位2可以进场做空。那么呢，通常他们都会跟你说，你有一个 TP1、TP2，可能在这里，也许也许是用这样TP 一个地方，第二个地方都有，你可以选择 OK， 这个呢是怎么做？一个是空头强势，那么他们呢转回来看，找一个支撑位，这里没有蜡烛，对不对？所以他们来到这里就往下看，看到这里你看到吗？这里好，放大一点啊，过来，在这里呢有看到这些蜡烛这个是不是一个是不是一个我们讲的一个多头强势的蜡烛，好不好？多头强势的蜡烛，好不好？OK， 这个是这个也是一个多头强势的蜡烛，原本做空被反击，然后开盘价嘛，本来是红色，变成反击回去，突破那个开盘价，再继续推上去，变成做多的蜡烛。所以这一段里面就变成说，就是在这里面就变成说，一直是一直在做这个什么叫什么这个做多的，好不好？做多的蜡烛，对不对？就一直在做多，一直在做多。所以在这一段的话呢，这个部分是被市场反击过来的一个被反击回来的一次。所以在这个的话呢，这样看的话，比较就是这个部分一直有人在支撑着，一直有市场在反击它，一直有市场要把它推得更高。这个只不过是尝试尝试来推下来，那么把它转那个方向，可是失败，被市场反击回去。所以，呢，其实在这一段里面，市场他们都是用反击来做一个，就是用反击的这个原理来做那个压力位置，找一个进场点，也用反击的支撑位置来做一个止盈点，好不好 ？OK， 所以这个就是那个意思了，好不好？这个就是那个概念。所以为什么在市场上的这种秘密很多人都觉得哇，你很神啊，你怎么知道？其实不是这样说OK，这个东西呢，是一直都在欧洲都非常的普遍那么通常都是用这个空头强势的蜡烛。如果你是做空，找空头强势的蜡烛；如果你是做多，当然是找多头强势的蜡烛啦，对不对？OK，so 那我快点回去用英文的讲All right，OK，so now come back here. All right, so over here, let's see this part here. Okay, and as we can see, a lot of I think it's quite common in the European country, okay, in the West, that actually we are using the big selling candle, okay, like this to plot out our area of resistance and to start selling from this area, and also to take a note where is the big buying candle, big buying area which created a support area that we are going to avoid getting into the price area over here. We must take our TP. The TP should be around this area, and okay, so they are trying to squeeze them out. Okay, so over here, this is what the secret that I'm trying to say over here. How people actually tells you to sell at this price and TP at this price. So the very simple concept is actually looking out for big selling candle. If you are sellers, okay, you are sellers, then created a resistance from the peak of the week. Okay, from the peak of the week, let me show you when I enlarge out here. Okay, over here, plot one line, plot a line at the peak of the week, plot another line at the opening of the opening price of the candle. All right, so this area will be the area of resistance. Okay, so now area of support. So plot a line and this a big buying candle. Okay, at the opening price and also at the lowest point of the week. All right, so this part here will become the area of TP, take profit. Okay, so you see, so we have this area to look out for. You see, can you see this area to look out for? Wow, we have about 100 pips. All right, we have 100 pips. So can we just grab 100 pips from there? Well, probably you can, but it depends on the market situation at that point of time. Okay, all right. So yeah, so let's take a look over here. If no, sorry. Before I continue, let me go into the Mandarin. Okay, bear with me for another 2 or 3 minutes or so. All right. 所以呢，刚才我们就说到了嘛所以这个呢就是那个窍门，在4小时只有4小时OK，在这里呢我们可以看到说就是有一个空头强势的蜡烛，然后呢 这里多头强势的蜡烛，好不好 ？OK，像这样的情况哈，所以做空的人就找一个空头强势的蜡烛画，一个是画在这个蜡烛的顶端，一个是画在开盘价，然后就会形成这样的一条线，这样的两条线，这个范围就成为你的压力范围，可以进去。然后就是要转出来的，在这范围转出来的时候，就是你准备要做空的范围了。那么它往下跌的时候，你知道这个是支撑的范围。那么这个支撑的范围里面，你呢在这一段一旦要进去的时候，这个 TP 这个范围里面的话呢，你就知道说这个是支撑，随时要反弹，所以你要在这个范围里面赶紧拿了钱就要走了。了解我的意思吗？了解的话，请你打上一个4号 number four. If you understand what I'm saying, please punch in number 4 for me. All right. Okay. Let me know. Let me know. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So you are you are bursting a lot of okay. Okay, keep it short and sweet. Okay, before the big boys are in. All right. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think a lot of people are going to kill me, all right, when I talk about this topic. All right. So, yeah, okay, I got your signal. Okay, before the big boys watch my video. Okay. Okay, so yep. So this is how actually we can do. All right. So there's one more thing. Okay, there's one more. Okay, so over here, let's see. Okay, let's see. So this is some basic one. Okay, some basic over here. All right. So of course, we are not going to stress so much on this session about all these big buying, big selling candles. So we are going to take a look. Okay, the rest. Okay, so that later we can have a little bit of practice. How is it like? Then we'll be able to know did you able to get the answer? Okay. All right. So let's move 我们是不要在这堂里面就一次给我讲到完了不然的话真的是有人会宰了我已经有人发信息给我，叫我不要讲太多话了OK，所以呢，在这一段呢，你们还想知道多一点吗？Okay. Do you want to know more? No, not for the Europeans. Okay. OK OK，没有啦，开玩笑的。再说下去，真的，我告诉你我这个应该会给人家拉黑应该人家会去投诉OK，那要这样的话，我以后就没有办法在这边跟你们讲了。OK，OK，不要了Mr. Bong， 不要了OK， 我们先认识这两个点就好了我们先认识这两个点就好 ，OK， 好不好OK， 来，我们来继续All right，so yeah。要多多指教要请那些厉害的人多多指教，不要我了OK, alright. Oh, so you want some more 38 VR? Nice to see you here again. Thank you so much. Okay, so yep. So let's see what do we have. Okay, I saw one. Okay, I will do one. You tell me next time. Okay, here. Okay, over here. All right. Okay, over here. Okay, now this part here. Okay, 在这里Okay, so we have one here. Okay, let's see what is this Can you see that over here, this is a pin bar over here. All right, can you see? Okay, 这里这个我画的，这是我画的OK， 有没有看到一个上影线？然后这是开盘价，我把它放一个线在这里，一个线在这里这个就是这个 area of resistance， 这个就是那个压力的范围，好不好 ？All right. Okay, so let me go in English first to explain Okay, so I draw down. Okay, I scroll back and I started to draw down this thing. Okay, initially was up there, so now I bring it down. Okay, bring it down over here. I saw one big selling candle over here. Okay, big selling candle over here. So I plot a line on the top of the wick and the other one at the opening price of the candle. All right, so this shall be my area of resistance. All right, area of resistance. Okay. All right, so let me go in Mandarin now. Okay, the Chinese are running away when I speak English. OK，那么我们来看一下哈，在这里啊，OK，在这里我们这样看的话，我从上面拉下一个下来，我一看就是看到这里有一个上影线蛮长的，对不对？然后呢，这个上影线之后，它这里呢开始这里画一条线，最高的上影线这里画一条线，开盘价我也画一条线，然后这里呢这个实体啊，是不是整个看到说之前是往上升，突破不了，往下跌回来，形成空头强势，就一直跌了，对不对？好，这里哈，那么在这里啊，这个就是我画出来的 ，OK， 这个就是我的压力范围 ，OK， 压力范围 ，my area of resistance，OK，area of resistance. So now let me draw back. You see, there is a support level over here, correct? Okay, you see, when it started to come from the bull and come back here, new support and trying to break the previous resistance and it's not breaking. Now with this, okay, with this big selling candle, it start to break the support, and I know it's going to into the bear market, into the selling. All right, into the selling. Okay, into the selling. All right. So Mika, understand? Mika, are you still here? Mika from Australia. All right. Yo from Thailand. All right. Where are you? Are you still there? All right. All right. So over here. Okay. Son. Okay. So over here, this part here. Okay. So it actually breaks the support, and now you can see another big selling candle. So this is another area we are into the trend. This is another area that we can sell again. Okay, we can sell again this candle. After this, we can sell in this 4 hours candle here. All right, this part here. Okay, you get what I mean now? Okay, 在这里呢，新的一个牛市上来开始转，对不对？转的时候不代表说要马上啊，这个就是那个蓝色的区间在转换的过程，新的支撑回调碰到之前的压力不突破的情况下返回来，对不对？返回来这一段它返回来嘛，这一段返回来的时候就变成空头强势，那空头强势下来是不是啊？是不是告诉我这个就是我的压力的范围？这压力的范围出现，它突破这个支撑，是告诉我们什么意思？进入了熊市。进入熊市的时候，它回调，这就是我每次说的，等它回调，再有一个新的压力真的出现了，空头强势又来了，那么呢，就可以在这一根蜡烛里面开始做单子了，OK， 所以这样做的话，就我们有进入做空的一个现象，好不好 ？OK， 我回去英文啊 ，All right。So now let's see. Over here, okay, over here, when we know where is the resistance, we know the area of resistance. Okay, this is turning down the bear trend, and this is the area of resistance also. Now let's go and look out for an area of support. Okay, which is actually very near over here. Yeah, I saw one here. Hey, no, sorry, it should be here. Okay, it should be here. Okay, sorry, it should be here. There's one here. Okay, why is that so? It's over here, huh? Okay, let's show you. Okay, over here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me zoom into this part here. OK， 好，那么我们这边找到了，我们要去看支撑位置在哪里嘛，对不对 ？OK， 支撑位置啊这一段里面，我们这样看，我这样方式比较明显的哪里？OK，这个也是可以啊，这里哈，你是说这里哈，这个4点钟的对吗？OK，Yeah，OK，Actually there's one more here. OK，Actually there's one more over here. OK，Can you see? All right. Let me see. Okay, over here. Okay, now this part here. Yes, this part also possible. Yeah, this is also part of one support level. Okay, one support area that we need to take note as well. Okay, so this is one of the support area we need to take note. Okay, okay. So over here. Okay, over here. Now let's look at another one over here. Okay, and over here. Okay, over here. All right. So can you see, when the price actually comes over this area, you see it's actually slow down. With the candle with a small short body, it started to show the slowing down. Slowing down, am I right? Sorry, give me a while. Okay. Okay, over here. Okay, let's take a look at over here, the support area. Now can you see it's actually slowing down and actually bounce back? Can you see? OK，在这里呢，这个支撑位置哈，这个支撑位置，这个支撑位置呢，来到这里的时候呢，在这一段里面，在这一个里面呢，这个支撑你看到哈，它真的是来到这一段，它就开始缓慢了，开始一缓慢，它就开始回调，对吗？它开始回调，这一点呢开始回调了之后，它就开始又在往下跌了。这种是不是有一个支撑位？又回到这个支撑位这边挣扎着，挣扎着，挣扎着，对不对？挣扎着，挣扎着了哈。OK，so if you can see。Okay, with the support over here, it comes in here, it went up, come back here, supported, struggling, struggling, struggling. Am I right? It's been struggling and struggling and struggling. So we want to look out for something called the big selling candle. The big selling candle in order to break away from the support area, okay, by looking at the big buying candle or big selling candle to determine where's the resistance and the support or the breaking or not breaking. All right. Okay. So now over here, let's zoom in again to take a look at this area here. Okay, as you can see from the support here, it has been hovering over here, go up again, come back again, go up again, come back again over here. Can you identify, is there any good, any very obvious big selling candle over here? I don't think so. Doesn't looks good. Doesn't looks good. Okay, here. All right. So where? This one? Okay, but the wick is not long enough. Okay, usually the wick have to be long enough. Okay, in a way that it shows the rejections. It shows a rejections from the previous resistance. Example, like this is the resistance. Am I right? This is the resistance, but it has not reached to this price, and it has already started to go back into the selling trend. So that means to say there isn't any rejections here. The rejection is not strong enough. It's not strong enough to push. You get what I mean? All right. So usually we are looking out for a very long week like this. That means to say it actually try to meet the previous resistance. Okay, but it has been pushed down. But this is not. This is no good. This is not so good. Okay. All right. This is not so good. All right. Okay. But over here, this is one resistance here. Okay. So you see, these are the resistance, but very low volume. Very low volume. And now, when this thing comes here, and this wick comes here and it actually hits on this and it start to go down. But remember, if you read back the candle over this side here, can you see that actually the volume is very low? So actually this is also not so good. Okay, the volume is low, it doesn't mean the very strong rejections over here. Like this is different. These are very strong, and when this candle actually goes up to this area and hits, and it straight away come back with a very long rejections, long wick above, that means the rejection is very strong because of the volume over there. But all these small little candle, yeah, maybe no, yeah, not really there. You get what I mean? Okay, all right. 好，那么在这里我们再解释这里呢支撑着支撑着，到了这里，这个你看这是空头强势不过这个空头强势没那么好 ，OK， 这空头强势没那么好，在这一段里面呢，我们再一看的话，为什么没有那么好？原因是因为它的这一个的量其实很小 ，OK， 很小而已，对不对？这个量太小了，这个量很小到其实这里的反击不够强，所以呢，可能还需要很长的时间来突破。所以如果你看到是像这一种的量很大的话呢 ，OK，all right， 这样的话，它上来，它真的碰到的话，它这样上来到这里碰到，它直接下来，那个反击点这么长的上面的上影线的话呢 ，OK， 这个就真的很好，真的很好，很有机会要做空了。OK， 要像这样的要像这样的，它真的上去碰到之前的压力。可是之前压力有没有形成是有量的吗 ？OK， 要注意看，如果有量的 OK 也是很好。好，大家了解的话，请 给我一点点的鼓励，5号好不好？Okay, all right. So over here, okay, over here, what we are looking at over this part here, okay, is also very important. Okay, it's so important that we need to understand. All right, we need to understand all this. When the rejection comes, is there a big volume that rejects it? If not, it may not be a very strong rejection over there. All right, okay, right. Boniface. Do I pronounce that Boniface Karanja? Boniface Karanja. Thank you so much for coming in. All right, it's been a while since last time I see you. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I hope it's helpful. Okay, all right. So now, okay, so yes, what we are looking at it over here. Okay, and it is in a way. Okay, it is in a way that how actually we look out for the big buying candle or big selling candle to tell us where's the support level, where's the support area, where is the resistance area that actually can give us a sense of security, okay, and where should we start and where should we end, okay. Example, the next one, all right, the next one. Okay, hi Jason, nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. All right, so over here, let's take a look over here. Let's identify another big buying candle. Okay, do I mean by pin bar? Yes, exactly. All right, so let's take a look over here. So the moment you have identified the turning point, the big selling candle over here, it has already started to sell over here. And the next one that we are going to refer, because let's say you are here. Okay, let me pull the chart this way. Okay, let's say you are here. All right, you are over here, and the chart moves. Okay, let's see over here. Okay, we are here, and where's the support level? So let's take a look. Is this big buying? Big buying, is there very strong, a very clear big buying? No, 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 no. Ah, I saw one. Okay, now, let's take this for example. Okay, let's take this for example, right? Okay, so I'll be conducting this in English and Mandarin, so I'll have to both language together. So bear with me, alright? 好，那么在这里啊，我们这样看，比如说我们现在在这里，好不好？现在正在交易的这个时间在这里，然后呢，我们要找支撑位，对吗？从这里这样看回去，左边这样看有没有多头强势的蜡烛？没有，没有，没有，没有，一直到这里，终于有了。OK，这里就是了。好不好？你注意看的话，其实这个就是 OK. So over here, then I come back to English here now. All right. So over here, okay, if you can see this big buying candle is also a sign of market rejections for the bull. Okay, the bull, which is a previous trend that's pushing up. So there's still a signal. There's still a signal over there whereby this is the support area and the rejection area. Correct. So rejection area over here, and this area support is never a point. Support is never a point. Remember that it's always an area. Okay, it's always an area. There's no specific price. Okay, this price is going to be a support price. No. Okay, it's always an area. So give yourself some buffer. Okay, give yourself some leeway that you will know that this should be the area of support that you should take your profit, and if it goes into it, run away with your profit before it U-turn. Okay, before it U-turn. All right, I will tell you how to use it, but let us get the fundamental right first. Okay, so over here, as you can see right now, okay, over here, we are here. Just now we were here. So look out for the support area. OK， 刚才我们在这里嘛，对不对？所以这里我们找到多头强势的，多头强势的，认同吗？同意吗？可以吗？可以的话，请你再给我2号，好不好？哎，赶紧给我一个2号。All right. So agree with me. This is the support area from the point where if we are trading here, let's say we are here, and this will be the big buying, and this will form as my support level, support area. Okay, understand? If you can understand, give me a number 3 for English. Number 3. Okay. All right. Okay. Number 3. Okay. เข้าใจไหมครับเข้าใจ give me some. Okay. All right. So So yeah, sorry, I'll be conducting in English, Mandarin, a little bit of Thai. Okay, all right. So okay, so good. Wow, Bong and Hawaii can เข้าใจ啊，เข้าใจ Thai นะ Okay, maybe yeah, they live near Thailand. Maybe they live near Thailand. Yeah, maybe. All right. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's see. 啊，我们回来，赶紧回来这里这样看。如果我们在这里 OK， 我慢慢看啊 Let's go, let's go. OK, one, two, one, two. OK, we are entering into the support area now. We are entering into the support area. Can you see support area? OK, now let's move again, move again. Wow, in the support area, you see hovering, hovering, hovering for a little while. Hovering, hovering, hovering for a little while before it actually breaks. Hey, it's not breaking. I thought it's breaking. Oh, come back again. Can you see? It's because of the support area we have determined earlier on. Okay, and you see it's trying to break, but a big buying candle again, it push up. Okay, back to the support area, it go again, struggling, 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 struggling. Oops, direction has changed, change, change. Oops, okay, finally short. It breaks. Okay, so can you see the impact over here? All right, the impact over here, it causes so many turbulence over here. The impact over here causes a lot of turbulence here. All right, OK， 好，那么我们这样看啊，这里啊，这里这样看的话，这个是我们的支撑讲了嘛，对不对？所以你在这里看的话，它这样慢慢走下来，这一段再走，再走，再走，再走的话，你看到啊，就是是不是在这个范围里面被支撑着了，被支撑着了，对不对？OK，这是支撑着了，现在被支撑着，哎，上去了，上去了，哎，又下来了，下来了，啊，终于突破了。可是这里到这里哦，10根吗？哇，10根哦，是一个是4小时哦，要40个小时哦，哇，那是几天的事情哎，是不是这样讲？哦，所以你看，所以如果你可以辨别的出来，辨别得出来说这个是在哪里的支撑位置啊？你交易起来的时候，到了这个范围的时候，我早就跑了，我早就跑路了。OK， 它会不会在这边上上下下，在这边上去，哇，50个点下来50个点这种啊，已经不关我的事了。我等到它重新再有一个新的空头强势蜡烛，我才再回来多一次。了解我的意思吗？OK， 好 ，OK， 那个没关系，那个等一下才跟你们讲啊。All right, so you see, OK, can you identify this? OK, if you identify this, you can avoid the turbulence over here. So once it come into this area, is the time, is the place, is the point, is the price, is the level to get your TP off the market. Collect your TP and go out of the market already. You get what I mean now? From here, you have identified there's one. This is the beginning. Am I right? This is the beginning. All right. So the beginning, we will not talk about beginning. Let's talk about here. Probably you enter a trade maybe here. Okay. So coming to here, well, about 100 pips already. It's about 100 pips. So maybe in between, okay, you get your TP, you go out. Get your TP, you go out. Get your TP, you go out. Maybe. All right. So come back here when you know this is the area of support and your entry point is right here. Do you think you can enter here? Do you want to enter here? Yes or no? Let me know. Okay, let me know. Please punch in your answer. Let me know. Do you want to enter a selling trade when the price is here? When a trigger point is here? Do you want to? Let me know, please. Okay, participate. Okay, participate. OK， 好，如果呢在这里已经画出来了，那么价位来到这里，你的进场点出现在这里的话，你要不要进场？OK， 来好不好？来来来，一起参与，告诉我要不要进场啊？OK， 好的哈，谢谢你 Man Y， 谢谢你华裔。OK，so yeah，no no no，OK，KL no no no，right，good，KL very good，OK，no，OK，Thai you good，OK，OK，all the no，OK，good， very good job everyone. Christine, Mr. Sia, good job. Okay, that is good. You understand. Okay, don't ever try to argue your investment, your trading system. Is there, is there. Don't argue. Okay, once you argue, you're going to bang your head over on the wall, and that is no good at all. All right. Okay, so you see, by looking at this, by looking at all these candles, just looking at candles itself, okay, yeah, Joyce 很好 ，OK, Quack 很好 ，OK, so 要懂哈，在这边就不要进场了哈。By looking at all these candles alone, you actually there's a signal telling us because these are the logic behind the movement in the market. Okay, these are the logic behind the movement. Now behind the candles that represent the market's movement. Okay, so over here, when we know, we will always look out for the first thing, the bull going up as it's going up very high, okay, let's say the bull run, every time the bull ran for a while and trying to turn down each time when turning down, you know, this is only the transition. The trend has not changed. The trend has not changed, correct? This, I'm going to test you now, okay? This part here, the bull running up, now is turning down. Is this a bad trend? Yes or no? To save time, I'm going to test you on the last 30 minutes to make sure this session you know, so that the next session I will tell you about the secret number 2. Okay, the secret number 2. Okay, so this part, come, let participate. Is this a bear now? Is it a confirm that it's a bear over here? Yes or no? Wow, so many no. Okay, yes, exactly. You are correct. This is no, OK。然后这里啊，我们这样看，来考一下大家哈，在这里往上升上去，已经开始回转下来的时候，是不是正式进入了这个熊市，好不好？进入熊市，不是啊，真的不是哈，OK， 不是哈，很好，very good，OK，all the no，all right，so good。So now let me ask you again, okay? This part here, this part, all right? This part here, over here. Hey, no, sorry. Okay. This is something that I drew just now. No, I'm not going to use that. Okay. Now I'm going to. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, this is going to be the one. All right. Over here. Then over here. Okay. Okay, let me plot it out here. Okay. So this part here, when it starts to turn, it hits on the support. Now it starts to break the support over here. Okay, over here. Right. Can you identify this as a bear market? Is this a bear market right now? If you cannot see, let's put it this way. Okay, you can't see. Okay, you get. Okay, of course you can't see this, huh? It's supposed to be this way, huh? Okay. All right. 在这里啊，在这里，哎 where? Okay. Now it's gone. Hang on, please. Okay. Well, the stock market opens. Oh, I see. Okay. Now. Okay. It's supposed to be this way. Okay. Okay. Now here. All right. Over here. This way, it went up, hit the support, go up, break the support over here, this area. Okay, I'm asking you, this area, can you call this as a bear market? Has it entered into the bear market over here, this area? OK， 这里的话呢，能不能说，我能不能断定 OK， 这里哈 OK， 这里我能不能在这个我能不能笃定它是一个熊市了？已经进入了笃定了是一个熊市了吗？在这里，在这一段里面，可以吗？在这里啊，可不可以 ？OK， all right. Also no. So many people say no. Okay, all right. No is because you saw this, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, over here. Okay, now over here. Okay, now let's say. Okay, I'm going to talk about here. Sorry. Now over here. It hits here and it goes back with now the support. Correct. Over here now you can see. Okay. Let me look out for one more that actually give you. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me go by this way. Okay. Aha. Okay, this way. I'm going to start drawing up here. Okay. Let me draw this part here so that all of you can see, huh? Okay. Now. All right. So over here. Now, this part here. Okay. This part here. English first. Now this part here is running, it start to hits on, and then I saw one big selling candle that actually hits on the previous resistance and comes back to break the support over here, hovering until here. Okay, this part here, huh? Okay, let's say this part here. Okay, this part here. Can we say that any breaking over here, it is going to the bear market? This area is going to be the bear market. Yes or no? Yes or no? All right. 好，那么在这里啊，我们注意看这一段，我说的是这里啊，这一个部分，这里有一个新的压力位，回来的时候，这里碰到，那么不突破的情况下，有一个空头强势的蜡烛，然后之后呢，在这里呢，走着走着，尝试突破一次，一直突破，再突破。那么呢，在这个支撑位置的底下，可不可以把它定为一个熊市的区域呢？可不可以定为一个熊市的区域呢？好不好？Okay, can we? Can we? Alright? Can we say that this will be a bear? This will be a bear over here, this area over here, huh? Okay. Alright, over here. Is it that it's going into the bear market again? Okay, this part here. After this are created and the hovering over here and into the bear. Okay, over here. Yes. Okay. No, 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 no. A lot of no again. Correct. People who actually punch in the no, you are correct. All right. Okay. Because you see, okay, this part here is actually arranging. Actually, this part here is arranging from the turning point up here. Okay, it's a turning point. So over here, you cannot just say that this part here is arranging and you will say it's going to the bear. Okay, in fact, okay, we have to look out for the very tip top point, okay, with a big selling candle, then we will be able to tell. Okay, we'll be able to tell. For example, okay, another example, this is quite a classic one. Okay, easy to understand. Okay, let me put this below so don't get yourself confused. Okay, I'm talking about this. I'm talking about this candle. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, and okay. Okay, let's take a look at this. All right, this area, this part here. Okay, 在这里啊，在这里啊。OK，在这里我们这样看的话，convergence。OK，yes，Boniface。OK, is over here. Very, yeah, it's one kind of it. Okay, so we can see. Okay, we are just I'm trying to I'm trying to make it as a layman so that the rest of the retail trader will understand. Okay. All right. Okay, so yes, it's a way of convergence. Okay, so we can make use of this to understand. Okay, how it actually give us the resistant area. Okay, right, but I'm also incorporate some of the retail understanding over into this technique. Okay, all right, so over here, let's take a look over here, which I actually put it here. Let's see, okay, what we can do, what we are going to see here. Okay, over here. All right, can you see there's a swing down, and now it swing up again. All right, it swing up again. Okay, swing up again. Can you see? Okay, for us, we have a V shape here. It seems like we are very near to the resistance area over here, but it has not hit. So it's creating a new resistance in this area, correct? Okay, so now you can check out. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, where will it be? Where will it be where we have a big selling candle in this area? Okay, in this area, right? OK，let me see 啊，我们现在在这边看的话，是不是我们的 V 字很明显是一个 V 字，对不对？好，这个 V 字在这里呢，我们这样看啊，它没有达到这里的一个压力位置，不过在这里它就在这个范围它就开始停了嘛，对不对？在这个范围开始停的时候呢，我们就要开始去注意一下说。它的那个范围呢，在这边停的时候，有没有形成一个空头强势的一个 signal 出来 ？Okay, alright. So we are trying to look out for a big selling candle that actually appears in this area that created an area of resistance for us as a guide. So it's very obvious for us to take ready to short. Okay. For example, here it has been ranging down or this kind of this way bull running. The bull is running. Okay, now the bull is running. It started to turn down. When I say it started to turn down, you must always look out for the first. It will build up one support. Okay, it will build one support. Like example here. Okay, this support area. All right, this is a support area. Am I right? Okay, so this support area, when it started to build this support, monitoring. Okay, this will actually go up again, all right, to test on the resistance. This will go up again to test on the resistance. Okay, now testing on the resistance area. It's still in the resistance area, correct? Okay, so resistance area, we are looking at this area here. We have a resistance, correct? You see, there's a big selling here. So probably we can shift this up a bit, touches here, all right? The resistance, which touches here, which this area, okay, this level. So you see, hits on the support, it touch on the support, and move up to test and retesting the resistance area again. So retesting the resistance area, now come back again, retest again, okay, come back again, and retest again. Okay, can you see a lot of retesting, right? Okay, so a lot of retesting. So this, what do you call this area? What do you call this area? It has not break through. What do you call this area? 这里你看压力位置出现，那么呢下来碰到形成支撑，再上去尝试突破，一直尝试都没突破，对不对？那么这一个位置，这个位置呢，我们呢叫什么位置？Okay, ranging. Yeah, okay, you can say that it's ranging, but there's a term. There's a term from the bull going to become a bear, and this actually is trying to tell you the bull is into the transition. Is into the transition. Okay, it's trying to turn the bull into the bear. It's trying to turn the bull into the bear. This area of resistance, if you this area of transition, okay, is actually very difficult to trade. It's very difficult to trade because it will still try to break the resistance because the bear has not kicked in. Okay, so right now it's trying to turn down, but it's still trying to break. So in a way, this is very difficult to trade. So this area usually try to avoid trading in this area. Okay, right? Just like Pao Yen earlier on. Yeah, remember Pao Yen? Okay, it has go up, and now turned down, but it went up again after a few days. Then it break through and it really zoom down all the way, correct? So same thing, okay, same thing over here, okay. 好，这个区间是在转换的过程啊。你这里上来，你看牛市一直上，它下来的时候支撑着，上去又不突破，就完蛋了。你就知道说它现在很好啦，很好，不是完蛋，是很好，就是开始呢进入了这个牛转换的空间了。这个是牛转换为熊的空间 ，OK 的区间，对不起是区间 ，OK 好了，所以这个呢是区间，所以呢在这里呢，这里是可以说是盘整，但是呢我严格上来说的话，这是一个区间 ，OK in this area we'll call it the transition area，so in this area it's difficult to trade， 很难交易，因为你不知道它要上要下，转不出就是转不出啊。Okay, in forex trading, alright, in forex trading, okay, it is very difficult to trade in this area of transition. Okay, this is a transition area. Okay, yeah, 38 VR. This is a transition area. When I say transition area, it means that there's one wave of a bull running, trying to turn back to bear, and turning back is on the way to turn back. Okay, and that turning point, that turning point is actually, you see, when it turns down, it forms a new support. It will form a new support. Then the support will try to break the resistance, but it's not breaking and it still come back to the support. So it seems like it's a ranging. It looks like a ranging chart, but actually, if you read this as a bull and transiting into bear, so you are actually in the transition. So in this transition, it's not easy to trade. It's not easy to trade over here. Okay, all right. Of course the space is real big. Some are 30 pips, some are 50 pips, some are 20 pips. So it depends. Okay, if you're actually encountering some like 50 pips, of course you can, but okay, be careful. All right, always have a structure in the transition. Avoid trading in the transition. Okay, after it went out of the transition into the bear, then we start trading. Then you will actually realize you have reduced a lot of risk 啊，对，这个就是过渡期哈。是的，华裔，Yeah，that's right，过渡期。所以你看，牛市上进入过渡期，然后走进熊市才开始交易啊，这样的话就很安全了。OK，alright，so this is where I'm actually talking about today. Okay, how do you actually go into the from the bull running up? Okay, identify when it start to turn down. When it start to turn down this way over here, it doesn't mean that it's turning down to bear, it's turning down to bear. No, it's not this way. Okay, usually it will create a new support. Okay, higher than the previous. Okay, can you see actually this is a bull, this is a support level, support level, support level, support level. Layman term, support at a higher price, at a higher price, at a higher price. Okay, it means buyers are willing to buy at a higher price, higher price, higher price to create higher high. Okay, right. Professional, this is called higher low, higher low, higher low. OK， just a joke 哈。OK，right，OK，so 在这里哈，我们这样看的话，有没有看到更高的低点，就是更高的支撑？这个支撑比这个还高，支撑比这个还高，支撑比这个还高，支撑比还高，对不对？这个意思就是说，在市场里面呢，有很多的这个买家呢，他是在这个更高的价位愿意买入来突破更高的价位，可是来到这里突破不了了，开始停了，对不对？那么呢，这是最后一次他的那个尝试，所以呢，他没有办法再进去，他没办法再突破了，所以可能再尝试一次，尝试到真的放手，真的是放弃才下来的。OK， right? So buyers are buying at a higher price, trying to break the resistance. So at the movement, at the point of time, we are trying to break the resistance, and the sellers are also trying to pump in to go into the bear market. So the crash is there. So can you see the crash is there? So once the crash is there, it created something like a ranging, but it's actually if you read out the whole thing like this, okay, it's actually only a transition. Can you see? Always go up, transition, come down. Fair? All right. Is it clear? Is this explanation clear for you? Okay. If it is clear for you, okay, pump the like button and give me a number one. OK，如果听得懂的话呢，给我一个 like 好不好啊？打上那个 like 的 video 里面的那个 like，YouTube 的 like 给我好不好？我太习惯 Facebook 有 like 了，YouTube 没有 like 不习惯。OK， 好不好？记得给我一个 like， 再给我一个1号，告诉我你真的了解。OK， 这个是一个过渡期。OK，so this is a transition. Once it breaks through the transition, that is where we start to sell. Okay, that is where we start to sell. So remember, if you can see the big buying, after that start to see the big selling, big selling, big selling, big selling. Okay, after that start to see the big selling, big selling, big selling, big selling. Okay, then when you see the big selling candle, and that will be a chance to sell. Where is the big selling candle 啊？哪里有一个空头强势的蜡烛？当我们走出了 ，OK， 这里有没有看到 ？OK，so do this. Okay, from here, transit out. Oh, big selling candle here. There's one here. Can you see? Can you see? There's one here. Okay, there's one big selling candle over here. Over here. Transit out. Selling. Big selling candle. When I see this big selling candle, that means chances is coming. You see, it's the selling over here. As the selling trying to beat the support level, it become resistant. Can you see the support area? This support area here touches one here, touches another one, touches another one. The support area is here, correct? Okay, let me draw in a. Let me bring up my green line so that it's so much clearer. Okay, over here, this way. Okay, all right, here. Okay. Okay. You see, there are a lot of okay. I'm not going to say that in English. I will say that in Mandarin 啊。这里有很多国外的人啊，就叫我说，不要再说了，太多了，说太多了。OK，好啦。OK，我们这样看啊，这里啊，在这里啊，我们这里看这一段，这一段的话，比如说这一段啊，碰到一个支撑上去 ，OK，let me move this away before the confusion is there, alright? Okay, so you see, over here, it touches the support. Now, can you see this candle actually retrace upwards and go into the support area, which is also means that become resistant. So this one is a good rejection from the SBR. SBR, that means to say support become resistant. Okay, SBR is in the short form of support become resistant. All right. Okay. So over here, 这里呢就看到支撑变成压力嘛，对不对？支撑变成压力，所以这一根呢，它回调上来的时候呢，是不是被反击回来？这一根是不是一个空头强势的蜡烛？那么呢，就是一个 signal，我们有机会进场了，我们就要开始去找进场点，看符合吗？那么我们才找进场点了。Okay, so you see, support become resistant, one rejection here. Okay, so another one, the resistance is here. Okay, one resistance here. Okay, you can see. Okay, it went up, the resistance form here. Then another over here. Can you see it brings up the price near to the resistance over here. Now the rejection comes again with this part here, but this part here, okay, take a look, pretty small, pretty small of volume, so we need to take note, okay, so be careful. All right, so over here another rejection, but not a very strong one from the volume compared to this. Okay, so this part here is a retracement. Okay, and start to goes down. 好，这里啊，这里是很强嘛，对不对？但是来到这里呢，你看它的这个整个流量有点少啊，所以呢，在这一段的话，可能我们做交易的时候要小心一些些哈。OK，这里要小心一些些。OK，so you see. As we move, another big selling. Where is there any big other big selling over here? Okay, let's check. Okay, example like this over here. Okay, over here. Okay, let's see the big selling. Can you see one big selling here? Okay, over here. Okay, let's see over here. Can you see? Okay, it went down, short, come back again, supported, come back again, and it went down. Can you see the whole thing is actually a trending market over here? The whole thing, it runs a trending market. Am I right? So if you can see this, okay, as you can see, this part here, it went up, come back, and it went up, support become the resistance over here, right? So it hits rejections. There's a rejection here. So that means another selling signal is coming again. But look out, because of the volume is very low, so please be careful. Until it forms something like this below, it went back again and it's not breaking out to the support and it's breaking down to the selling, then we enter a trade here. Okay, so look out for all this. Look out for all this. All right, these are all very important signal in H4. Okay, so that means to say I'm going to give you signal like this. Okay, I'm going to sell this at what is this price? 82,825, 82,992. Okay, so yeah, you can sell at 82,992 or 82,825. Okay, yeah, this is how we derive the price here of the selling signal. OK， 明白吗？大家在这里也要看到这个空头强势。OK，do you understand, guys? In English, understand? Give me a number 5. Okay, give me a number 5 for those who understand English. Okay, understand my English explanation. Okay. All right. So yeah. Okay, over here. So let's see. Okay. 在这里我先用 I'm going to use Mandarin. Okay, I'm going to use Mandarin. All right. So 在这边这样看一下，在这里注意看这些空头强势。这里呢上去下来，这里流量不多，所以要等。所以等它，你看它流量不多的时候，它下来的时候呢，这里是不是回调？可是它没有突破上去，对不对？因为在这一段里面开始往下跌。OK， 因为这里有一个空头强势的蜡烛，因为这个就是那个压力的区间。所以它没办法突破回去，它就在这个压力区间里面往下跌了。所以往下跌的时候，很明显在4小时图里面，我们就有机会去1小时5分钟和1分钟里面去找进场点了，对不对 ？OK， 好，这个就有机会了哈。OK， 所以这个是一个很好的一个指示，可以看到哈，一个孔明灯啊，可以看得到，可以看得到它在什么时候这个范围出现，我们要准备做单子。OK，all right，OK，so yes。These are all the kind of big selling candle, okay, for us to identify where is a very strong selling point, the selling area for us, okay, so that we will be able to short or sell at that point of time, okay. And even when it starts to retrace upwards, okay, retrace backwards, okay, then we will also know that this shall be also the point that I will take note that it will not break easily. Okay, like this example, like this, it will not break easily. Then it may have a chance to start to sell again. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, I hope today. Okay, so fast 2 hours. I don't think that this 2 hours is good enough. It's not good enough for me 这个好像这2个小时好像不够哦。对，OK， 所以呢，在这里呢，我就希望说，在这里再希望说多一点时间，你们都听得懂了。不过没关系啊，我们分几段来学习，好不好 ？OK， 分几段来学习。OK, guys, I hope I know it's not enough. Okay, that do you think it's enough? Let me know. Alright. Okay, so. Yes, we are actually coming to the end of this video, this session, but this is going to be the part 1, okay? And this part 1 over here, all right, we are trying to identify the big selling candle, okay? I'm trying to give you the concept, okay? I'm trying to give you the concept of the big buying candle, big selling candle, okay? To understand in H4, okay, why there are people out there can tell you, okay, this is the place to sell, this is the place to TP, okay. So I'm trying to tell you what are the secrets behind all this, all right. So we can make use of this to identify where's the resistance area, okay, so that we are able to sell from there. And when we are selling from there, we also know whether is it a good, strong selling resistant for us. Okay, right? 所以呢，我们当然这个时间是不够哈。Yes, not enough. 忙完 need more practice. OK， 好，会的哈，这个还是会的哈。OK， 需要多练习哈，这应该的。OK， 所以在这里这样看哈，4小时我们这样看的话，就是基本上是让大家知道哈， 怎么样知道这些秘密？每次看到说，哎，这个点位，这个点位做空哈，其实就是4小时就是那个关键，4小时是那个关键的周期，再加上这个做空的这个什么空头强势的蜡烛，也是一个要点哦，OK，很重要的一个部分。All right, so this way, okay, once we know that this is the point, okay, where we are going to sell. We understand first the concept 好，我们先了解那个概念，然后呢，接下来的这个几个 video 呢，我们都是比较关注在这个4小时啊，它的变化是怎样的？OK，OK 吗？你们要吗？哦，让你们了解多一点。OK，这样的话就交易起来就比较容易一些哈。OK，我每天都可以开开心心，有 TP 有 TP 这样哈。OK，All right，OK，All right. So I hope this video is entertaining enough for you to learn something. At the same time, you felt relaxed. Okay, I hope you like this video. Give me a like. Okay, so for people who just came in, okay, who just know me, I'm Eric Tay. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every day I will be in GMT plus 8 between 13 hours to 13:30. I will be online giving a forex trading plan to focus on which are the currency pair that we should trade. At the same time, okay, we will start to read out all these to see why we want to plot the resistance over there. Okay, I have a I have a secret. I have a learning secret for all of you here. All right, that means to say in this video, all right, early in the morning, you replay this video. Okay, just listen to what I say, especially tomorrow. Okay, especially tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, once you wake up, when play my video, play this video first. Okay, play this video first. Okay, all right. You can skip to the chapter. Okay, you can skip to the chapter. All right. I will plot out the chapter for you and skip to the chapter and straight away listen to what I'm talking about. I'm saying don't have to look at your phone. Just go and brush your teeth. Go and shower yourself. Okay, even going out. Okay, just listen. Then in the night, tomorrow night, you come back. You play back by watching. This will greatly help in your memory to memorize, to remember what I'm sharing today. OK, alright， 好，所以呢，我刚才就在那边分享的就是，明天早上一起来啊，OK，马上开播，开这个 YouTube video，然后呢听就好，刷牙洗澡都好，就是听就好，不用看。然后到了晚上，明天晚上坐下来在睡前呢，真的再看多一次啊，这个的话就真的会在你的这个脑海里、记忆里面呢，会留下很好的痕迹。OK，那么这样的话你才会记得。OK，好不好？All right, so yes, any questions? Do you have any questions for me? 有没有什么问题想要问我的啊？All right，啊哈，OK，Riano, thank you, Riano, right。OK， so 这里呢？这里有没有？现在是没有哈。OK，很好，很好。OK，好的哈。我们在这个里面呢，我们在这个里面交易里面啊，我们都要非常清楚，就是在交易的时候呢，我们都要分得出，有一些阶段是不可以交易的啊，有些阶段是不可以交易，有些阶段是可以的。OK，all right。Yeah, in forex trading, there are certain part. Okay, there are certain level that you are not supposed to trade. You have to stay away because that is the level where it's no man land. You have no directions. You have no volume that you can't trade at all. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Let me. Yes, I have a question over here before I goes off. Okay, before I go offline. Okay, let's maybe we talk about now. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen in H4. Let's take a look. Okay. Aussie yen in H4. I think probably it's very obvious that when I start to plot out, okay, you will see, okay, you will be able to see that very clearly that why I have all these lines, okay. In fact, if you already can see, my system here has already show you where is the resisted area. Okay. Pink arrow in H4. Okay. Pink arrow in H4. This has already tells me that the area of resistance is forming very soon. Okay, but it's just depending on where the support is. That's all. Okay, so you can see it came down, support, they have been supported. Okay, over here. So let's wait. Moving up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, you see? Okay, it breaks the support over here. Actually, in this area, now we are going to, it's very near to cutting the purple, correct? So actually, over here, once it breaks the support here, okay, this has already go into the, officially is going into the bear market to short at this point of time before it meets the next support area. Okay, so this is where and how you can see. Okay, coming red dot in H4, that means a seller willing to push at the lower price to break the support. This is a signal because money comes in to break. Okay, trying to break. So it's getting obvious. Okay, so system are still there. The system are still there to guide all of us easier, that you don't have to read so many things like, oh, I need to read this and that. Oh my God. And this is getting so confusing. And I am really lost. There are people are telling me lost. Okay. No, 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 no. Don't feel lost. Don't feel lost. Okay. Don't feel lost. Okay. So I think it's quite easy in the way that we just need to break it down into various of lessons in the video so that you can replay back, and it's going to be helpful for you. Okay. All right. Okay. So you see, comparing one with a system. Okay. Another one here. Okay. Over here, if you can see. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Over here. Can you see? Over here. All right. So let me, oops, I'm sorry. Okay, right. Okay, do this. Let's do this. Okay, Aussie yen. Okay, over here. So this part. Okay, let me do this. It's actually almost the same. Not much diff. Okay, you see the blue color box here? Can you see the blue color box here? Okay, comparing this. Okay, this one I need to shrink down a bit so that it looks the same. Okay, now, can you see this? Okay, when you see this, okay, when you see this chart here, over here, it's a raw. But for us, Aqua has already cut below the white line. It's a sign that it's trying to break. It's trying to break down into the bear market, correct? Okay, it's very obvious, right? 这里很明显，对不对？这里呢，我们要看的是支撑找嘛。可是这个许蓝线已经割下白线，我们已经知道它在这边，只是等它变成 S1，就是进入了熊市了嘛，是不是？其实是一样的东西。这边你可能没有那么明显在哪里要找，要画，要等。不过这里已经是很明显，就是直接看到的在白线下面，许然现在白线下面就是做空嘛，只是要知道那个支撑在哪里有这个支撑在这里开始回不去这个压力的范围的话，就是要准备进入的那个熊市嘛，你明白我的意思吗？OK，all right，OK，yes，OK，so actually it's almost the same. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, it's just that easier for retail trader to understand rather than I need to know what is a shooting star, what is a tweezer, what is a hammer. Oh my god, what is a graveyard? Oh, tombstone. Oh my god, tombstone. All of this stuff. Okay, forget about all these names. You must know all the logic behind the candle because it's the movement in the market. It's representing the movement in the market. So it's much easier for us to understand. Okay, all right. So next round, I will be touching on the second part. Okay, how to use this theory. But just a little while more, we will. I mean, this after today, go and pay attention, roll back my video, and go and read out the chart that's coming in. Okay, that's coming in into your into your chart. That will greatly help you. All right. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm coming to the end of this video. I hope you really no, no, my video helps you. Okay, so I also hope that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and see and follow me every day how I make use of all these knowledges to apply daily in my forex trading plan. All right. Thank you so much，谢谢你们，谢谢大家。OK，我希望大家你们已经开始追踪我的 YouTube，OK，那么可以看每天我在这个1点到1点半之间呢，我在里面怎么运用所有的知识点，OK，来分析来筛选我要的货币对，好不好？OK，Thank you Roger，Thank you Jenna，Samantha，OK，你好你好，OK。So yeah, that's right. Okay. Do you guys know questions for me, huh? Okay. If you don't have questions for me, say goodbye to me, good night to me. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'm good preparing for tea break. Going for tea break. All right. Good. Hubert and company. All right. So yeah, exactly. This is the right time for tea break. Okay. Yes, I have to go as well. Because another 45 minutes. I'm going to take a break at 45 minutes to have another meeting online. Yes. Okay. 谢谢你，谢谢 Jenna，谢谢你，谢谢，Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Kapuma krab yo. Christine，你好，谢谢 Mr. Bong，你好，谢谢你。How are you, Mr. Xia Man Wai？谢谢大家。Okay, thank you Stanley. Good night, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, 谢谢大家。See you again on my next video. Okay, remember to subscribe and ring up the bell so that when I go live, you will get the notification. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much. See you again. Kapuma krab, Fandi nakrab. 我的亲爱的168。Okay, see you guys. Thank you, Joyce. Thank you, Simon. Thank you, Carol, Mika. Oh, Mika, I got to go. Yeah, have a good night rest. All right. Okay, remember to send my regards to Stella. Because, yeah, okay. See you again. Thank you so much, guys. 谢谢大家。